Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to drape a chunni quick and fast. So you take one end of the chunni and pleat it up. Make sure that the pleats are neat. Drape over the right shoulder. You check the length that it is above the border. Now take the other end of the chunni, and now what you're going to do is you're going to tie it up onto the wrist. Or if you're wearing a bangle, you can always pin it up on the bangle. But tying it over the wrist is more comfortable. And thank you for watching. Any comments, or if you'd like to see any uploads, please put it on the comment section of the video. And thank you very much.